Eurozone confidence on the rise, growth projections, and policy speculations. The upcoming days promise significant economic data that could influence discussions around stimulus measures, particularly rate cuts, if indicators suggest economic weakening. Wednesday's release of the Producers' Price Index and Thursday's Consumer Price Index will gauge inflation, potentially sparking concerns about stagflation if inflation remains persistent. Wednesday will also see the release of retail sales data, followed by housing starts and building permits on Thursday. Globally, markets await Friday's sale of ultra-long debt, with optimism already evident in reactions overseas. China aims to stimulate economic growth through fiscal measures, potentially benefiting assets like oil, copper, and iron ore. The Mexican peso has rebounded strongly in May, bolstered by recent inflation data and Banxico's decision to maintain rates. This week will be relatively quiet for Mexican economic indicators, with anticipation building for impactful end-of-month figures covering Q1 gross domestic product, retail sales, and CPI. Confidence in the Eurozone appears to be growing, with signs of economic resurgence. Analysts project more expansion than previously anticipated for the Eurozone in 2024, with a Bloomberg poll forecasting 0.7% growth. There's speculation about a potential hawkish rate cut from the European Central Bank in June. Regardless, the euro shows potential for further recovery alongside the strengthening economy. Exchange dollars and more than 30 currencies with us. Register your company at TKambio US and transact with the best exchange rate, backed by Monex US. Subscribe and stay updated with exchange rate news.